If you're looking for a good soundbar to boost your TV and your home theater setup, then the Sony S100F is a great option. This soundbar features a decent speaker set to improve the experience of watching movies and shows on your TV. The soundbar offers clean and crisp audio which is not brought down by muddy bass. It is a good fit for those who don't like listening at high volume levels. It's also easy to set up thanks to its premium and compact form factor. So if you're having problems with hearing dialogue in your shows or just looking for a casual system to improve the audio in movies, then this is a great choice to go with. I thought the soundbar performed well when it came to music too, and it did a good job with clarity and representing separation between instruments. Even with bass-heavy music, the bass had a pretty good punch and accuracy to it, which was nice. To sum it up, if you're looking for a soundbar for heavily watching movies and/or intense gaming specifically, then the Sony HT-S350 might be more your speed. However, if you're just looking for something for the bedroom or a smaller room to simply watch TV or the occasional movie on, or to even listen to music with, then this is an awesome choice to go with, honestly.